everyone, welcome back to Tulasi Education. Today we are going to see a worksheet on phonics. This worksheet is useful for the toddlers, LKG and UKG kids. First we have to introduce the kids, which is where they are familiar with the words. If they are going to go to the garden, they can see some of the objects which they are easy to identify and name out the words. Here is the first worksheet is about the garden missing final sounds. Can you fill in the missing sounds? Here some of the words with the picture is being given. The children has to sound out and they have to fill the missing word. Here the first object is the carrot. These are the objects which they can find in the garden. So the first object is said to be the carrot, and the blank which is left is for them to find out from the choices which is given on the sides. So the child know what it is. They can sound out as a carrot, but they have to know what letter is missing. So the end letter is missing. So you can ask them to repeat the word once or twice so that they can make out which letter is missing. So carrot, t is missing, so they can find out from here where the letter sound T is a T, so they can pick out and write that letter. Next word is they can find from the object, it is a sun, and ask them to read the word or object sun. Is there, and which missing object is the in. They can find out from these choices that has been given on sides. In, they have to find out in from here, and they have to pick up and write the in. Another example is they know this is a dog and they can sound out it's a d, and what is the missing sound is g. So they can easily find out. If they know the phonic sound, it is easy for them to pick out the sound from here and match them, for which they have to be very familiar with the alphabet figures and the sounds. So here it is a g. They can pick out and write the letter g. This is how they have to fill. And one more example I just want to show you. There are consonants, that is consonant blunders. The first three, what we have seen is a consonant. The few more examples I have given to show it easy for the child is a consonant clusters. Consonant cluster means two consonants making one sound. Here you can see L, it is written twice, and S, it is written twice. They both makes a single sound. And S. Here the child can tell it is a grass. G, A, and they can find out from here the word of the sound is S. So though it is the two letter, they have to sound a long sound S. So they can pick up and write the letter as sound. Why I have given one blank is it makes one sound. One more example is the duck, d, a, and here it is k. You know already the C and K makes a single sound as k. So the child should take out and write the sound k for duck to complete the word duck. So this is how we have to practice the child of making them to write both a single consonant, and they have to able to write the cluster consonants, and we have to make them to understand that these two words makes a single sound. So this is how it has to be practiced by trial and error. It will be easy for them to learn. Next comes the initial sounds. First we saw about the final sounds. Next comes the initial sound, that is they have to find out which letter will match the particular object. Some of the letters have two sounds. The child may get confused with it. To solve that problem, they have to be given more worksheets to easy for them to learn. Here, the child has to circle the letter that the word begins with. The child can make out from the picture that is a B. B. So the child has to see the both options that is given. They know it is a D and this one is a B. So they can circle the letter B. Some children had the chances of confusing the letter D and the B. So by practice they will learn the difference between D and the B. Then is the apple. Here why I have given A and O. Some places O also sound like a sound. So the child may get confused. Either this A or this A should come. So that is why by practice they will come to know that apple means a letter A. A sound will be coming. And snake. So this is also a little bit confused for the child. C and S. This is sound as a K and this sound as a S. So how the child get confused is, in some places like city, for example city, cell, when the C is followed by E and C is followed by I, the letter C is sounded as yes. So the child sometimes they get confused. In order to make it familiar, we have given this practice. So snake, the child will sound as S. So snake. Then comes the kite. This also quite confusing because the letter K and letter C is said to, they have the similar sound as K. This a child should be able to circle the right word as K. This is kite. K. So they become familiar with the end sound and also the initial sounds. Then comes the next worksheet is to color the correct sounds for each word. So here the child is going to learn the end letter. So this are said to be the, this is also is a cluster consonants. So here the child is going to color the spelling. You should tell, the child will be able to tell it is a duck. They have to spell out D-A-K, duck. So when they spell out, they should color D-A-K. So the child may see for C and K, but they should know that C and K make a single sound as K. So D-A-K, duck. This is said to be the consonant clusters. So next, one more example is the hand. The child should be able to ind, hand, ha. They have to color ha, a, and the consonant cluster as ind. So when they color the consonant cluster, it is easy for them to write the spelling and in writing. Next, one more example is nest. They have to color n, a, ist, nest, and this one is the wind, v, a, ind, wind. So the child will be familiar with the initial sound and middle vowel sound and the consonant cluster. And one more worksheets on read and write the word, color the matching pictures. The child should also have the habit of writing. So they have to first pick up the word that is written in the first box. They have to write it ha, a, it, hat. You can see the at, the end cluster consonant is repeated. So they become familiar with the word at. So hat, the child will have to find out which picture will go inside with the hat. That is hat. So they will have to color the hat. Next comes the bat. So they have to write for writing practice b, a, it, and they have to color the bat. So this is how they have to do this worksheet. Then comes the similar way how we did in the garden objects, similar way. So the children will be very fond of going to the beach and collecting some seashells, and they are doing some castles on using the mud. So they are familiar with objects that is they are seeing in the seashore. So the first one is they have to look at the seaside pictures and write the missing sounds. So these are the initial sounds with the consonant clusters. So here they know it is a starfish. Let them sound it at star, star, star. So they have to sound star. So when we tell any word, we have to stretch the word so that it will be easy for the child to find out what is the sound. When we are going to read very fast, it is difficult for them to find out what sound it is. So better to get stretch the sound so easy for them to learn. Here it is a shell. Sh, a, so they have to take out and write as shell. Then comes the crab, crab, crab. Sand, bucket. So the child will be able to find out the ending letters and also beginning the consonant clusters, and easy for them to learn. Then comes draw a line to join the rhyming words together. Yeah, this is a very good tricky thing. They have to find the objects and they have to sound out. The child, if they know the CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant, then easy for them to blend. So if you want, if you can keep the sound button down and ask the child to sound out. K, a, car. And here the child has to find out the matching word. Then you can keep a sound button down and they can sound it as star, star. So this is how they can match. Okay, this makes the same sound, R. At the end, they can hear the R sound. Then comes a cat, k, a, t, cat. So the matching sound is b, a, t, bat. So they can match like this. So if you get practice like this, they become familiar with the sound. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.